Yo, hello guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, as you can see, this is your favorite trader. So, as you can see, I sent these signals this night in my group, and I took it, but not on this account on Boom 500, and it works very well. You can ask those that are in the group, and they will tell you. So, you see, if you want my strategy, I haven't set up my strategy. I just deleted it because I want to set up new strategy so that does not fail. I'm the best, guys. I'm the best. I never failed. So for those of you that want account management, you message me on WhatsApp or join my signal group if you want a free signal group. If you also want my VIP signal group, you can also message me on WhatsApp. So whatever offer you want, you can message me on WhatsApp. If you want my strategy, you can message me on WhatsApp, guys. How I used to make this money. Let me show you guys something. Someone deposited $40 and give me in the money. I took this trade this evening because I was so busy with other accounts. So guys, so watch out what happened. I doubled the account, so you can see I doubled the account. I doubled it. So you see the equity is still there, the $40 is still there. I haven't placed any trade again. They just withdraw it this evening. So you see, guys, step index. I keep step index. So guys, I keep step index. So you can see I took a sell position after 1 hour because I saw that buy position is occur. I waited for the buy position and I took it. And guys, can you see wonders? You see. So the person withdraw $42. You see. So come for account management, guys. Come for account management. Offer account management. We'll give free signals if you're interested in the free signals. We'll give free signals. You join my WhatsApp group. Use the link below on the bio. Join my WhatsApp group for free. We don't charge on free signal group. So if you also want me to mentor you, to teach you how to trade, guys, if you want me to mentor you to teach you how to trade, what you do is to message me on WhatsApp. Guys. This 500 did wonders. It did wonders, guys. Wow, I never miss, guys. I never mix. I know most of you may be saying you have lost a lot on account management. The people you met was the wrong person who don't know how to trade, and they want to make millions a day, but they don't know that trading is not to make millions. Trading requires skills. So if you have lost so much, what you do, message me on WhatsApp for me to recover for you, guys. You working with me, you're going to enjoy me, and you never regret working with me, guys. So I just want to show you guys, for those of you that need help, and for those of you that don't know how to trade but you're interested in trading, you can message me on WhatsApp for me to mentor you, to teach you how to trade, for me to mentor you, guys. That is the only thing you have to do, guys. And if you are new watching this video, like and subscribe. Please share to your lovely ones that are also interested in learning, like friends, family, and whoever that doesn't know forex and is interested in learning. What you do is to share my link to them for them to watch my previous video and see how what I explained. I know I didn't explain how you can use to and get a spike. I didn't explain that. I'll explain that on my next video, guys. So you guys shouldn't be offended of what I did that I didn't explain if you also need explanation on this video, kindly inbox me on WhatsApp. I'm going to reply you guys. I'm going to reply, or you message me on Telegram. I'm also on Telegram. You message me on Telegram or on WhatsApp. I will reply you guys. So thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. They won't charge you for that. They won't charge you for subscription, guys. They won't charge you for subscription. So thank you, guys. I will see you guys on my next of my video. I'll see you guys on my next of my video. So whatever offer you want me to offer you guys, I'm always available. I'm always available. Wow, you see. And the most important thing, don't be greedy on trading. Don't be greedy in trading, guys. Don't be greedy in trading. Don't be greedy, and trust me, you are not going to lose any money. Trust me, you're not going to lose any money. You won't tell me that I'm using a demo account. If you check, I'm not using any demo to make a video for you guys. And I also make a video where I traded an account where I started, and you guys will see that I'm not lying. You see, I told you, and you see that the deposit was 40 and withdrawal was 42. Wow, guys, have to congratulate me. So guys, like and subscribe, please, don't forget. And I also offer account management and auto mentorship, guys. Thank you for watching.